song I gave away. That way you'll get some wind.
Okay. It's windy.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Knocking the lights down again.
What's up, man?
What up, man? That motherfucking light strip will piss me off. I done put so much, like 2 bottles of super glue on that bitch.
Base will take away. Base will move anything. All right, could you tell me your name and what's in here? Like I don't know. Go for it, man.
All right, Triston Cooper. We do the team father-son, the Servant Bourbon build. You got 16 Scar ZVX 12s. Every set of floors on one MD8000 at 1 ohm.
Wow.
Meter stuff, we did a 60.7 sealed at 40 hertz, and we did a 52.3 at 25.
Very nice. Whoa.
Alts and bats, we got 2 370 amp alts and a 190 AH bank of C-Max.
Wow. Are y'all still doing some tuning and tweaking on the port?
Yes, we are gonna. Today the show is just to see what she does, all that kind of stuff.
Yep.
Talk to people, whichever. But we're gonna do some shrinking and
Yeah, man.
We left it open to do stuff like that with. So.
Oh yeah, always a work in progress. And you got a lot of work in this floor.
Yeah. Wood glue and sawdust, 3 gallons of epoxy,
Fiberglass.
and what you name it.
Yep.
You know?
Nice job. Peak probably changed too, and I guarantee you're probably putting about 800 to 1,000 watts clamped on them subs. Just my guess.
8.
Yeah, about 800.
800.
Yeah.
A piece. That's about it.
Yeah, well, we clamped it night before last, and it did 14,283 watts.
With all 4.
All 4? You have some high rise then.
Yeah, we got a lot of rise.
Yeah. That just gives
Cheech
you
and chong,
that
baby.
just gives you more efficiency. But I tell you, once you dial your port in,
Yeah.
and you would do some kind of roundover work
Right,
here,
right. Yep.
and
Yeah,
you never know,
we're gonna
man.
do a PVC.
Yeah. Are you able to mount these regular,
No.
or it's not deep enough?
There's
No,
there's
they deep
16
enough.
cubes sealed and it's 48
We're
coated.
1.25 per sub sealed.
16 sealed
That's
and
not
48
bad. That's pretty good.
48 coated.
Yeah, that's good, and it's very musical.
Very.
Awesome.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of the father and son build. This is Triston+Brad's system. They've come a long way the last 2 years on this build. They have actually added some things for this video. This is from the Ruckus and Chill show in Fayetteville, North Carolina of 2021 for this demo. So be sure to give them a like as well as comment and let them know what you think about their system. So they're running 4 subs per amplifier. It was pretty impressive to see that this is only running around 700 to 800 watts RMS on these 1500 watt RMS rated SCAR subs. So really efficient build, lots of impedance rise, probably rising to 3 to 4 ohm depending on the frequency. They ran at 1 ohm and not half ohm. A lot of people run these Taramps MD8000s down to half ohm. They have a lot of lithium power to supply as well. A lot of work improvement they still plan to do, especially like adding the roundover port. And they've added all these extra bracings on this box to hold all of the pressure for the 16 12-inch subwoofers to make this box solid to where it doesn't move anything and keep all the pressure on the body. So we're about to get to the bass demo. Thank y'all for watching. Consider subscribing for daily cardio videos and stay tuned for more videos.
All right. helped a lot, I'm sure.
It changed everything, yeah.
Your peak probably changed too, and I guarantee you're probably putting about 800 or 1,000 watts clamped on them subs. Just my guess.
Eight.
Yeah, about 800.
800
yeah.
a piece. That's about it.
Yeah, well, we clamped it night before last, and it did 14,283 watts.
With all four.
All four? You have some high rise then.
Yeah, we got a lot of rise.
Yeah. That just gives you more efficiency. But I tell you, once you dial your port in, and you would do some kind of roundover work here, and you never know, man.
Do a PVC
Are you able to mount these regular?
No.
Or it's not deep enough?
There's 16 cubes sealed and it's 48 ported.
We're 1.25 per sub sealed.
16 sealed
That's
and
not
48
bad. That's pretty good.
48 ported.
Yeah, that's good. And it's very musical.
Very
awesome.
musical.
Thank you very much, man. What was your name?
Triston.
Triston and Brad's build, team father son. All right.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.